Alright, remember, good cohesion. Get that spacing when you're reloading. Get these chants when I call them. We're gonna fucking kick this switch back to the fucking mountains. Let's go. Hold down W, boys.
Alright, forward with me. Remember that I'm in the poop uniform, so keep your eyes on me. I'm in the poop outfit.
He's wearing the poop sock. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Alright, so far, that Fusilier line, I mean, they're all new people. I'm pretty sure we can handle that.
3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Even though it's a 30-man death stack, I'm pretty sure we can handle that Swiss or that 30-man Fusilier line.
As long as we outplay them, they only got 6 more than we do.
Yeah, and then I can trust the guard to take on their Grenadier line, and then hopefully the 5th can hold against their Volta-Gear.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Alright, yeah, they're all moving towards Del Rey's side.
Yeah, chant on 3. 1, 2.
From the look of my side, they're all moving to me.
Get ready, gentlemen.
We're
prepared to be engaged.
Alright, boys, spread out. Let's get ready to form up here.
Spread out. Prepare to form. Let's go. Spread out.
Alright, I'm gonna form and engage this line in front of me.
Prepare to form.
No, keep going.
Prepare to form.
Form left and right here. Take aim.
4.
Pincer at their head. Fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant. Fix the gap in the center. Let's go. Right side, cover down. There you go. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Take aim. Pincer at their head. And fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Everyone crouch. Okay, stand back up.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Okay, alright, take aim. Pincer at their head. And fire. Good volley.
Nice. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Alright, take aim. They're clumped. Pincer at their head. And fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Fifth your flag.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Alright, take aim. Alright, I'm gonna start moving. Alright, fire. Oh, no, we missed our shot, Jesus.
Yikes. That tore up the morale, though. That tore up the morale.
Holding.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Alright, hold on. Alright, move
chant
up with me.
Push.
Move right.
Shift right.
Reform to my left and right here. Take aim and
Reform.
fire. Take aim and fire. Take aim and fire.
Cap. Good shot. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant. Chant on 3. 1,
Alright,
2, 3, chant.
Fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3,
Hold the line.
chant.
Fix the gap.
Center. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Alright, hold. Alright, push up with me. Push.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Alright, reform right here. Take aim. Pincer at their head. And fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant. Work on the spacing while you're reloading. Work on that spacing. Fix that gap.
Hold. Oh, they fire. Okay, hold on. Save your shot. Alright, push up with me.
Push. Good job, guys. We put them out of the road.
Alright, the Ray's right behind him now.
Push him to save fifth. Fire
in charge. Get in there.
Not save, my bad. Support fifth. They're overextending. They don't have a lot of dudes.
Alright, pull.
Pull.
Alright, pull back to the road. Wait. Hold on. Fifth, pull to the road.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Reform on me.
Reform. Let's go. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Alright, take aim in front of us, directly at them, and fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Charge him.
We're bigger than them. I'm bigger than
Clump
ye.
up, clump up,
I'm
clump
higher
up,
on
clump
the
up, clump up, boys,
BJ.
clump up, clump up. Flag
together,
guard, stay back,
remember what I
flag guard,
said.
stay back.
Remember what I said.
I'm pushing back
Get
this line
together.
on far left, pushing back the line on far left. Alright, pull.
Flag,
That's too
prioritize
far,
phone.
pull back. Alright, reform right here. Get your reload in if you haven't.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, move
chant.
up with me.
Chant on 3. 1,
Reforming the
2,
bush line right here.
3. Chant.
Take aim, directly in front of him, and fire. Bro,
Chant
communicate!
on 3.
Hey, we can go to our right.
Alright,
There's
pull
a
back,
flag
pull back.
behind us.
Pull back. Fucking Fifth
Charge
not
into.
communicating.
You want to charge into them?
Fifth
Yeah,
counter,
get him.
fifth counter.
Look at this. This
Fifth
is so
counter,
free.
Charge.
Here, watch this
Get
shit. I'm gonna
into
shoot their
there, bro.
flag.
That's a lost flag, bro. Get in there. That's lost. That's ours, bro. That's ours.
Alright, pull out.
No, we can get this.
Watch your left. Okay, get counter in.
Ah, never mind.
Everyone going. Clump up. Spam Q. Flag guard, make sure we get respawn.
Flag, make sure you get that respawn.
Spam Q. There you go. Get in there.
Frank barely made it out of there alive.
Alright, pull
Chant.
left, guys. Pull left. The right, pull left. Pull out left.
Pull to the left. Follow decks.
The
Follow
flag.
decks.
Alright, reform right here. Take aim directly in front of us. Fire. Fire once you have good flag shot. Okay, let's hold.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Alright, hold on. Take
Chant
aim.
on 3.
Everyone
1.
take aim directly in front of us. Adam and fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Alright, push up with me.
Remember, the French are good at running because they are cowards.
Alright, oh, wait, no, keep going. Keep going at him.
Get those point
Charge 'em,
blanks if you have
boys,
no
charge 'em,
shots.
boys,
Get
charge
those
'em,
point blanks if you have no shots. Get those point blanks if you have no shots. Don't worry about the Rambos. Blackguard, get the Rambos.
Charge these guys. We're better than them. Flag guard, pick that up. Going. Clump.
You missed.
We got the Grenadiers, bro.
We're pushing back their
Alright,
grand.
go back.
We're literally
Come back.
an infantry regiment. We're pushing back their
Come
grand.
back.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Keep following me. Fifth, have your flag bearer watch his
Chant on
left.
3.
Alright, reform him
1,
left.
2,
No, reform
3.
right
Chant.
here. Take aim directly at him and fire. Alright, push up.
Fire as soon as you get in the line. Chant on 3.
Push up.
1, 2, 3. Chant.
Let's go. Charging. Fire and charging. If you have it. Fire and charge. Clump up. Beautiful clumps, guys. Clump. Come on. Get in
Come on,
there.
get together. Do that
guys.
damage. Let's go. Get after blue flag.
Clump up. These are the fucking Grenadiers that we're beating back, guys. Come on. It's the fucking Grenadiers.
Keep popping
Okay,
shots
pull back.
up.
Pull out. Pull back.
Prepare to form.
Alright, reform right here with me.
Reform on decks. Let's go.
Take aim in front of us, and fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Fire wheel. In front of us. Fire wheel.
Chant on
Flag guard,
3.
pick it up.
1, 2, 3. Chant.
Fire wheel, guys. Fire wheel in front of us.
Here they come.
Charging.
Counter charge.
Charging.
Let's go. Counter charge.
Hey,
Get together.
we're charging Grenadiers on far left. We're charging Grenadiers.
Group up. Let's go. Keep going forward.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Fifth, come on,
Body
help
block
us.
flag.
Hey, watch
Flag.
behind us. Watch behind us.
I know.
Watch
Keep
out.
going. The fifth is right on him. Keep going. The fifth is right on him. Pick that up. Okay. All right.
Get that flag and keep moving. Pull.
Don't go towards them, flag. Yep, go that way.
Pull.
Clump up, flag guard. There you go. Beautiful work, flag guard.
Grenadier, go
Holy
start
shit.
left.
Good
Grenadier,
work,
go
flag
start
guard.
left. Hook up with Smith.
We're gonna come on. Spawn back in.
Pick up
Spawn back in
with
and counter.
Smith.
Spawn back in and counter charge. Counter charge. Pushing.
Flag support push.
Counter
Doing
charge.
fine.
Red flag.
I keep getting us respawns. You need to pull back more. Flag, don't go in the open. Go with the Spanish allies. There you go. Good job.
All right, pull it back. Pull back.
Spanish.
Never mind.
monster.
Counter charge red.
As you spawn in,
Counter
just
charge
spam
red. Come
Q.
on.
As you
Counter
spawn
charge
in,
red.
just
Counter
spam
charge
Q.
red flag.
As you spawn in, just spam Q.
Counter charge red, guys. Come on, with me up here. I'm stabbing this guy, but not doing any damage. Come on, go, go, go. Alright, pull back, pull back, pull back. Oh, pull back. Reform them left and right. Reform them left and right. Fire will, fire will. Actually, no, hold fire, hold fire, hold fire.
Hold chance, hold chance, hold chance, hold chance, hold chance.
Alright, take aim.
No.
What is the fifth doing?
Jump
Okay,
when you're
push
able
up with
to
me,
chant.
push up with me, push up with me.
Prepare to chant on 3.
Alright, front left and right, right
2,
here.
3, chant.
Take aim at the blue flag. Take aim at blue flag. And fire. Flag guard, pick it up.
Chant
Alright,
on 3.
push up
1,
to charge the
2,
blue line, charge the
3,
blue line.
chant.
Push up the blue line with me.
They're gonna get out of there.
Alright, reform right here. Fire well into the blue line. Fire well into the blue line. Just watch your rear flag. Fire well, fire well.
Fifth is pulling out.
Hold,
Fifth is
hold.
pulling out.
Charging, charging, charging. We outnumber him. Charging. Charge blue, charge blue.
Push on the blue. Flag,
Alright,
keep it up.
flag,
keep it up.
pull, flag, pull, flag, pull. Watch your
Watch
left.
behind
flag.
us.
Yeah, flag, watch your left.
Keep
Everyone
flag
pull.
guard, keep it flag. I got
guard,
two
where are
guys
you at?
keeping our
Come on.
flag. Come on.
Flag guard, where are you
Silly,
at?
silly
Okay.
flag guard.
Alright, flag, follow me, flag, follow me.
Alright, flag, I got you. Don't worry. Chant on 3.
There's a
1,
flag doing
2,
another flag on the
3,
ground.
Follow me, follow me. Alright. Alright, reform left and right. Take aim in front of us, red flag, and fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
We're doing good, guys. We're top right.
Chant on
We're-
3.
we're winning
1, 2, 3, chant.
Take aim.
Felix, why
Take
were you
aim.
standing inside of
Fire.
me? Chant on 3. 1,
gap.
2,
Oh, charge him,
3,
charge him.
chant.
Fuck him. Charge him, charge him. I'm charging the grenadiers. Charging grenadiers on left.
Get in, get in, get in, get in, boys. Get in, boys. Straight forward, straight forward, straight forward. The morale
Get in there, get in there, get in there.
The morale is
What
in
was that?
tatters. Straight forward, guys.
Alright, alright, pull back into the road. Pull back into the road. Pull back to the road. Pull back to the road. Yeah,
Back to
we're
road,
pulling.
back to road, back to road.
Reform into the road. Reform into the road. Alright,
Let's go. Right here.
get your reloading. Get your reloading.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Alright, hold shot. Pop up and fire. Pop up and fire. Fire and back down. Good volley.
Spread out those shots. Spread out those shots.
Right is being pushed.
Fist being pushed. Yes, they are.
Fifth,
They're
you need our
holding.
help
They're
or not?
holding.
Alright,
Fifth is holding. They push them out. They push them
Pop
out.
up and
Push
take
them
aim.
out.
Pop up and fire. Pop up and fire.
Pop back down once you
We're
get your
better
shot
than
up.
these guys.
Fifth is
Alright,
pushing.
move up with me. Move up with me.
Chant
Move up.
on 3. 1,
Reform right here.
2, 3,
Fire
chant.
well. Fire well. Fire well.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Fire well, guys. Fire well.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
We're winning by volley alone, guys. Keep it up.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant. Remember, it's attack. Attack is our chant. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant. If you
Alright,
if you're
alright,
in the front
hold
of
fire,
the-
hold fire. Everyone hold fire. Everyone hold fire. Let's get a volley in. Take aim once you have your reload.
Take aim once you're loaded. Take aim once you're loaded.
Once you're
Automatically
loaded,
present.
take aim. Directly at them. Fire.
Stand up when
Good
you're
volley.
reloading. Stand up when you're reloading. Chant on 3.
Push up, push up, push up,
1,
push up, push
2,
up, push up.
3,
Charge,
chant.
charge, charge, charge. Charge red, charge red, charge red. Charge red.
If you have a shot, take it now at their flags.
Come on, guys, get up here. Get in there, get in there. Alright, I'm gonna chase a 2 flag, then prevent from respawn.
Did they lose any of their flags so far? No. We got
No, the-
Swift. Swifts are pushing in from
the
our rear.
guard. Oh my god, this is tough. Okay, alright, 5th got respawn. Okay, turn around, they're right, turn around. They're right, turn around, they're right. No, there's 2 lines that we're chasing, but I'm gonna turn around though. They're right, turn around, they're right, turn around.
Grens, keep after that fucking line so they can't respawn.
Alright, there we go. Alright, flag with me to the right. Flag with me to the right.
Alright, we're
Reform to my
pitched
left
in,
and
we're
right, right
pitched
here. Take aim directly at them. Red, fire. Alright, fire and pull, pull.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3, chant.
Alright, pull back,
Just
pull
keep
back.
moving, guys. Just keep moving. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant. Get the flag up. Get the flag up.
Get the flag up.
Cancel reloads. Just move. Cancel reloads. Just move.
Oh my god.
Pick up the flag. Pick up the flag. Pick up the flag.
Ru-
Move, 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 move. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant. Yeah, clear out. Yep, 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 yep.
Yeah, but-
Into
yeah,
it, into it, into
hold
it.
the road, hold the road, hold the road, hold the road, hold the road. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
Look, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
Hold the road.
Chant
Fire
on
wheel, fire
3.
wheel, fire
1,
wheel.
2, 3. Chant. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
We're winning this fight, so keep it up.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Fire wheel, fire wheel.
If you're loading, just spam Q whenever I call chant.
Alright, hold
Chant
fire,
on
hold fire,
3.
hold fire.
1, 2, 3. Chant.
Alright, everyone take aim. Everyone take aim. Take aim once you reload. Once you reload, take aim. And fire.
Chant on
Good
3. 1, 2, 3. Chant. There you go.
Alright, with me, to the rear, with me to the rear. Counter
To
charge
the rear,
the guys
to
in
the
our
rear,
back.
to the rear, to the rear, to the rear.
Counter charge the guys in our back. Counter charge the guys in our back.
Gotta go forward. Gotta go straight fucking forward, guys. We can't hold
flag, go forward. Flag, go forward. Don't move around, flag. Just go forward.
Go straight forward, guys. We have to push them out if we're gonna get out of there.
Alright, flag. Alright, guys. Reform to my left and right. Ignore the Rambo. Flag, come up, come up, flag, come up.
We're fighting surrounded.
Right.
We gotta break them out.
With me.
Where? Going right? Going right. Move right. Move right. Move right.
With me. Oh shit. Front of my left and right here. Take aim in front of us. Take aim in front of us. Fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant. Fix that spacing while you reload.
Hey, fifth. Turn around and help guard. I'll take this death stack.
Chant on 3.
Alright, hold right
1, 2, 3. Chant.
Oh, they missed their volley. Holy shit. Alright, take aim. At them. Fire. Advance.
Chant on 3.
Move left, move
1,
left,
2,
move left, move left.
3. Chant.
We're not letting them reform
Chant
right
on
here.
3. 1, 2,
I'm
3.
holding that death
Chant.
stack right now.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Take aim.
Chant.
Take aim once you've your shot. Take aim once you've your shot. Fire. Hold the line, guys.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Come left.
Chant.
Line. Shift left.
Hold on, Chance. We gotta get this shit.
Wait. Charging. These are fucking fusiliers. They're fucking newbies. Charging. Beat them. We're fucking better than these guys. Come on.
Oh yeah, these guys are fucking. Holy shit.
They're shit, guys. Come on. Get up here.
They only have numbers. They don't know how to fight. Come on.
Flag.
let's go.
Respawn. Flag. Respawn. Flag prioritize. Oh. Flag guard. Come on. What are y'all doing, flag guard?
Jesus Christ.
Flag guard. Don't fucking reload.
Flag guard, just stay in melee mode.
Spawning counter charge. Spawning counter charge. Flag, get up here. Come on.
Come on, they're a death stack. They had to take a long ass time to respawn.
Come on. We almost had it. Alright, it's fine. Okay. Alright, refund
out
my left and right.
blue
Refund my left and right. Refund my left and
blue
right.
spot,
Come
blue
back. Refund left and
Blue
right.
fuck. Tog's over
Okay, never
extending.
mind. Let's go. Let's go. Push up.
Alright.
Hold your shot, guys. Hold your shot.
Going right. Come on, we're gonna cut them off right.
We're top fragging. Holy shit. Yep, we're on our way. Alright, head far right.
Hard right. Keep walking with them. I know they're on the road, but they're gonna get pushed off of it very soon. Chasseurs are trying to hold.
Alright, we are going to match our grenadier lines now. Oh, they're running away from us. Okay, push up with me.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Fire
Chant
charge.
on
Red
3.
flag is mine. Red flag. Fire charge. Oh my god. Red flag.
That's ours. Get in stack.
Oh, we almost had it. Oh my god. Yeah, who is spamming my DM, bro?
Flag, move back. Get spawns. There you go.
Alright, let's come right, flag, come right with me. Guys, come back and go
going
hard
hard
right. Come back and go hard right with me.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Pull back.
Pull.
Oh, okay. All right. All right.
Hold against
All right,
these guys.
All right, hold on. All right, forward to my left and right here. Take aim. Fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Hold. We're better than these guys. All right, move up with me. Move up.
Chant on 3. 1,
Hold right
2, 3. Chant.
Take aim at them. Flag. Get back. Flag. Take aim. Directly at them. Fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
All right, hold. Take aim. Directly at them. Fire.
Chant on
Yeah, we're
3.
holding.
1, 2, 3. Chant.
All right, guys. We're basically the rear guards. We're gonna have to hold these
Chant
guys.
on 3. 1, 2, 3.
All right,
Chant.
take aim. Take aim. Fire.
Chant on 3.
Push up.
1, 2, 3. Chant.
Hold right here. Yeah. I got you. Hold.
Please don't be doing your own chants. Please hold for my. Okay. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, take aim.
Chant.
Take aim. Fire.
There you go.
Fire and charge. They're fucking clump. They're stupid. Let's go.
Clump up. Blob up. Let's go. Blob up.
They're
Their
fucking
flag
dumb.
right
Come on, guys.
there. We are in range to keep their fucking respawns from happening, bro. Come on. Don't
Get up
get
there,
set
get up
back for nothing. Don't get set back for nothing.
Hey, the Rays about to get the blue flag.
Spam chance.
Get in there, guys. Get in there.
There you go.
Come on. All right, the Ray got their vote to gear flag. Okay, let's go.
Good job. Down the road. Let's go.
Hey, Scar, we're coming. We just fucked that line. We got their flag. We're coming.
All decks. Somer, go to the back of the line. Keep that prize flag from getting respawned.
Come on.
Everybody in the back, type GG to
Literally
those
just give
guys.
us 60 seconds.
What Kronk doing here? Yo, everybody type in what the Kronk doing.
Come on. The whole army's in trouble while we were fucking that flag, bro.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant. Chant on 3.
Oh,
1,
they're coming
2,
right at us, bro.
3,
They're coming
chant.
right at us. Come on, hard left. Let's go.
Chant on 3. 1, 2,
We
3.
fucking got
Chant.
him right here, bro. Alright, front of my left and right. Oh, no, keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Make sure you got your loads.
Front of my left and right. Take him, the guys are heading right in front of us. Fire and charge.
Woo! They're gonna fall. They're gonna dig back. Remember,
Do not let him escape. Do not let him escape.
Group up. Come on, let's go. Group up.
Good
Get in there.
Good shit. Come on, get it. These are our fucking flag, bro. I got it. I think. Nice. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, nice. Okay.
Bro,
Flag, find me.
Yo, we got
Here, flag to your right. Flag empty to your right. Okay. Everyone, move with the flag.
Viva España. Everybody, type in what the Kronk doing.
Yeah, man, make sure you move with the flag. Yeah, he's with me, but he's
Poppy, none of that shit. We ain't toxic like that. Hey, bring it back. Bring it back the other way.
What the Kronk doing, bro?
Well, I accidentally went with the 5th. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Spanish superiority, guys. Oh, he's got fucked. Okay, front up in the road.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Front line of road, and alright. Oh, move up.
Push up. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Y'all
Chant.
are fucking almost dead, Jesus.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant. I mean, we did just kind of push into it
right here. Take aim at the blue. Fire.
Just fire shots. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Yep. Alright, everyone take aim to the grenadiers at the center, the red flag. And fire.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Good volleys.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Push up with me. Push
chant.
up with me. Reform right here. Take aim and fire. Take aim and fire. Oh. All right. Flag guard.
Chant
Flag
on
guard.
3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Fire wheel, guys. Fire wheel. No. Hold.
Chant on 3.
Push
1,
up.
2, 3.
Push.
Keep those chants up, guys. Chant on 3.
Fire and charge in the red. Fire and charge.
Spam
Fire and
Q,
charge in the red. Fire and charge
spam
in the
Q,
red.
spam Q. Hey, Guardian Vallona's flag is endangered.
Alright, hold on. Hey, guys, the red, come right. Okay, here, hold on. Half of y'all come with me. Half of y'all only. The rest of y'all keep facing that red flag. Oh, never mind. They're fine. Okay, chase the red flag now. Alright, come back to me.
Chant on 3.
Right,
1,
right
2, 3. Chant.
Hold your shot. Hold your shot. No, hold your shot. Alright,
Chant on 3.
Okay, swing left.
1, 2, 3. Chant.
Okay, the fifth got it. Okay, we're good.
Chant on 3.
Alright, come
1,
right
2,
in front of me.
3. Chant.
Fire wheel. Fire wheel.
The flag's right out there in the open. Come on. Score that shit. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Alright, move up.
Chant on
Reform
3.
right here.
1,
Take aim,
2,
grenadiers in front of us.
chant.
Fire. Take aim, grenadiers in front of us and fire. Flag down, flag guard. Alright, nice.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Alright, move up. Alright, hold right here.
Hold on road.
Fire
Hold on
wheel,
road.
fire
Hold on
wheel,
road.
fire
Hold on road.
Wait, come right, come left. Good
left,
push,
come
good
left,
push.
come left.
Come left. Alright, never mind. Okay, we can't chase that. Okay, reform right here.
Ouch. Chant on 3. 1, 2.
Alright, take aim.
Chant.
At the red flags. Take aim at the red flag. Come on. Hold your shot. Take aim at the red flag and fire.
Chant on 3. 1,
Alright, push
2, 3. Chant.
Reform rate. Oh my god, we're both pushing up. You know what? Fuck it. Charge in there. These are grenadiers. Come on. We can beat the grenadier back.
These are grenadiers.
I'm breaking the center.
Do you know how bad that sounds when you literally say, "Oh fuck it, these are just grenadiers charging"?
Come on, guys. Get up here, guys.
Fuck that sounds.
I don't give a fuck. We're fucking him up.
We are literally Del Rey. We are the sun.
All right, guys. All right. Let's reform right here. Reform on left and right. No,
Prepare to chant,
keep going.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant.
Fire and charge in the center.
Chant on 3. 1.
Make sure we respawn at all times.
Chant. Cool.
Come on, guys. Spam Q.
Perros amarillos. Kronk always in there saving the flag. Bro, I think we're literally about to beat a Reg from fucking France too.
Come on.
We are literally about to beat French.
All right, come right.
Spain,
All right.
who kind of be
Let's
rocking.
get ready to form up here. Oh, never mind.
Keep pushing. Guards has him gone.
Get that blue flag.
No.
Nice, we got it. All right, keep pushing forward. Into the red flag. Into red flag.
Pressure that red flag. Don't let them get that respawn. Just spam Q for the moment.
We outnumber these guys. Come on, guys.
Spam Q.
Charge him. Don't be afraid. Did you just admin
Yo.
kill my guy?
Did they? They just kill commanded our
Guard, come on,
guy who
man.
had their flag. Guard, actually fucking trash.
Gar, come on, bro. You can't do that, bro. Come on.
Keep pushing, keep pushing.
I'm talking about the guy who admin killed my guy. Come on. The
Gentlemen,
guy who had the flag telling that.
Gentlemen, we are
there was
doing
nothing
well.
when it popped up when he got killed.
Into him. Help fifth. Help fifth.
Come on, get up there.
Your fucking, your captain is literally
Flag,
just
come on, get up here.
dead.
Flag, get up here. Come on, hurry.
Flag, gotta keep us that morale. You gotta keep feeding morale. I know it's important that we also keep respawns, but you gotta keep feeding morale too. Balance it out.
Come on, let's go. We're so much better than these guys. Come on, Flag.
I'm a monster today. Holy shit. Just keep spamming chance until we form. Then you hold chance. I like how they tried to stop behind this tree.
Bro, red flag.
Get that shit. That's our shit. That's ours. That's fucking ours.
Come on. Oh, I'm so close.
Flag, move back. Spawn.
Okay, yeah, Flag, make sure we respawn. Okay, push him now. Keep pushing now. Keep pushing.
Keep pushing in. If you hear us calling flag, pull back. You gotta keep it flag.
Delray come left. Enter red and blue flag. Red and blue flag. Red and blue flag to the left.
Go straight around. Cut through this fucking
these guys.
Cut through this hole that they just made.
We're so much better than. Oh, flagger down. Flag, come on. Flag guard.
Get flag. Oh, fuck out of there.
Flag guard, come on.
Come on, they should be on low morale, guys. Come on. We got this. Come on. Drive him back.
Oh, it's close. Yeah, flag guard. Where the fuck were y'all? Okay, these guys are Rambo. They have low morale. Stop reloading. Whoever the fuck that is, bro. Stop fucking reloading. Okay, we got
flag guard. Do not fucking reload. Do not reload if your flag is being attacked. Do not reload if your flag is being attacked. I'll say it one more time. Do not reload if your flag is being attacked. Attack on 3. Chance on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chance. Chance on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chance.
Keep going right with me.
There you go. Good chance, by the way. Today is like we're just popping the fuck off.
Let's see. Where did they form?
Keep getting these out.
I'm right.
Keep getting these out of lines.
I'm right.
Keep getting these out of lines. Bro, we're going off. Holy shit. Keep pressing your bayonet in their back. They're about to form. Blue's forming.
Right, left and right. Take aim at the grenadiers in front of us. Fire.
Chance on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chance.
Good chance.
Gloria o muerte.
Alright, take aim. Fire.
Chance on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chance. Chance on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chance.
Alright, keep holding.
Yes, we can easily flank them. Come on, we can army wipe this shit. Come on, move up.
Are they doomed themselves? They're literally
charge.
And rape themselves.
They doomed themselves. Come on. Don't let them actually get away with that. That was childish and foolish what they just did.
Charge in there. Get in there, guys. Get in there.
They pushed in with a healthy line on their right flank. They pushed in while we had them on the fucking time. Flag guard. Get on flag. Flag guard, get on flag.
Yeah, flag guard, get on flag. Come on. Alright.
Push into the
Flag, hold back, hold back. Flag, we can't respawn. Where are you going?
Yo, is this flag delivery?
Come back. Alright, flag, come back up. Alright, reform it right here. On me. Fire wheel. Reform and fire wheel.
Chance on 3. 1, 2,
don't charge
3,
in.
chance.
I didn't say charge. Okay, pull back.
Pull.
Alright, respawn, counter charge.
Chance on 3.
running.
1, 2.
Come on, bro.
Spam Q.
Come on.
Flag bearer, the flag bearer who was assigned flag bearer is not currently holding the flag.
Come on, let's go. Don't fucking drop it when we're moving, bro. Holy shit, you're slowing us down. Okay. Chase the blue line.
Alright, I don't have a shot. Yo, kill this Aaron Yeager looking ass. Yeah. Go back to Attack on Titan, you fucking
beat the blue line. These guys are really a skirmisher, bro. They can't do shit in melee. Come on.
Get these motherfuckers. Come on. Spam Q.
We're so much better, guys. Come on, get up here. Keep pushing them.
Beat anyone down.
All right, pull back. Run. Yeah, no, yeah, I got it.
Red behind us. Fucking sheesh.
Watch your right flag. Watch your right.
Spam Q.
All right, pull back. Hold on.
Hold chance.
Flag follow me. All right, get counter charging the blue.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
It's fucking end of battle. Okay, get in there and get your KD up. Black, just stay back. Make sure they don't get near our flag.
How many times do we gotta teach you this lesson, old man? It's like every time they push into it, they just get fucking eviscerated.
Go left, the fucking red flag. Oh, I misfired, damn it. Alright, good work. Let's see. Oh my god, we almost had 3k points, bro. If only guard and admin kill, we would have had fucking...
grab your screenshots of attendance. Grab your screenshots of attendance when we form up at the end. Grab your screenshots and then put them in point request. Make sure you do that so that way we know you were here. I took a screenshot of the scoreboard about near the end of it, but I don't know if you're gonna still be here or not. So you gotta take some responsibility if you want to get.
Oh my god, Vermont, you fucking crackhead!
Vermont?
17. Jesus. Okay. I mean, fuck me, I guess. Okay,
I mean,
pop off. Alright, don't leave yet. Yeah, don't leave yet.
Do not leave. We